Hello, this is John Piper with the Thursday video, and it's Thursday, the 31st of October. Starting with Bitcoin as usual. Bitcoin has so far failed to make a new high here. It got very close, but didn't quite take out that high there. We have got one more fifth due, and then we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 still due. But it is faltering rather. Having said that, we have got the form of the latest move is a 1 to there, 2. 1, 2. So we're in the third of a third now. So I would have thought we were going to see a thrust. It should be coming in pretty soon now and take us above this level, above the previous high. We almost touched that high, but just not quite. So again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, we could well see about 80,000 plus, certainly, maybe even 90,000 in this move. It should have some legs left, and it came from 47. So I mean, it's been a pretty impressive move. So 48,000 up to 72,000. That's 50% in just a few weeks, really. So it's a pretty solid move so far. The third of a third is still ahead of us, I believe. So it may well surprise us once it actually makes new highs and starts to motor, which it looks certainly it ought to do on Bitcoin. That would be Ethereum. Right, so Ethereum, how are we doing here? Let's see, kilo there. So we had a fairly good move here, but a big correction here, which is a very different pattern from on Bitcoin. It does seem to be lagging quite a lot here. And again, achieving very little so far off this low. It looks like a fifth wave failure, really. Fifth wave failure there, which is always a bad sign when you see the fifth wave not make new highs. Big A, B, C, taking us down from 4.1 to 1900. So that's more than 50% down with that move. So Ethereum is certainly the weaker of the two by a long way at the moment. I'm not quite sure why that should be. I don't think any fundamental reasons why Ethereum should be doing so badly. I mean, it's always been the ugly sister, I guess, if you like. It's never had quite the panache of Bitcoin. But it did have some advantages that I recall technically. I don't know whether those have evaporated in some way. But the chart is not looking that great at the moment, I must say. Fifth wave failures aren't good. 50% collapses aren't good. And this isn't really something one like either. So despite the 50% drop, you may think you might get on bargain hunting. It's just not happening at the moment. So Bitcoin is certainly showing its heels to Ethereum right now. My goal is still shooting ahead. It's almost double from this low here, not quite, but almost. Sorry, that's not quite true. It's a bit another 400 points. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be a third of a third, I said before. So maybe this has actually got longer legs than this count does suggest. As I said, this looks like a third, but it doesn't look like a fifth wave as such. So I think probably the third. I think I've changed that count. So I think the third's up here somewhere, yet to be seen. Ditto the 4 and ditto the 5, so I'll change that count to that, more positive. Looking very good on gold at the moment. Silver not quite so dynamic, but still pretty good. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. The fifth wave could be over here, but no real confirmation at this point. I doubt the 4's going that low, so I'll change that slightly as well to there. But I said, this isn't confirmed as a peak, but we have actually got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, possibly 4, 5. So it could be the peak, but it's somewhat in the somewhat open right now. And the fact gold is not showing any signs of a peak, that suggests it may just keep going, being on silver. So looking pretty good, I would say, again. All right, FTSE. Well, nice 5 there. Triangle there. Then we've got a 1, 2, 3. This is getting along the tooth of. I think it could be a 1 and a 2, couldn't it? I think the fifth wave is still to come. Although there's a great big wave compared to what we've seen here. So there's a bit of a dichotomy there. Normally there is a similarity. Look at the 2 waves after 2 days. This is now into what, 20th day or something, without counting. But it's certainly actually over almost 6 weeks long, in fact. It's a weekly chart, sorry, so it's actually, sorry, let me rephrase that. This is 2 weeks, this is many weeks, but 10 or 15 weeks perhaps. Yeah, the count suggests, although it's a very poor 1-2, but fairly good 3, solid 4, suggesting we have got one more move to come up, but of course we could have seen a failure perhaps, but see how that works out. If we take out this fourth wave low around 7917, I think that would confirm the peak is in at the moment, and no fifth wave high perhaps.